Have you ever been so angry that your voice suddenly cracks, disappears, or feels like it's trapped in your throat? Here's the shocking truth. Losing your voice when you're angry isn't random. It's your brain's survival mechanism, silently hijacking your body. And once you understand this, you'll never look at anger the same way again. In this video, you'll learn the hidden psychology behind why anger literally silences you, how your body betrays you in emotional moments, and the secret techniques to regain control before your voice vanishes. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and share this video, because understanding this one strange behavior could change how you handle every argument in your life. Imagine this. You're in a heated argument. Your heart races, your hands shake, and suddenly your voice cracks. You try to shout, but it comes out weak, squeaky, or even silent. Embarrassing, right? But here's the twist. This isn't weakness. It's biology. Your voice is controlled by tiny muscles in your throat called the vocal cords. When you're calm, they vibrate smoothly, producing sound. But when anger surges, your body floods with stress hormones, adrenaline and cortisol. These chemicals tighten muscles, restrict airflow, and suddenly your voice is gone. Why would evolution design us to lose our voice when angry? Simple. Survival. Think of your body like a security system. When danger appears, your brain activates fight or flight. Blood rushes to your limbs, preparing you to fight or run. But here's the catch. Your vocal cords aren't a priority. They get less oxygen, less control, and they tense up. It's like your brain saying, forget speaking, focus on surviving. This is why soldiers, athletes, or even parents in stressful moments sometimes feel their voice vanish. It's not weakness. It's biology protecting you. But here's where it gets fascinating. Losing your voice when angry isn't just physical. It's psychological. Anger often masks fear. When you're furious deep down, your brain might be terrified of losing control, being rejected, or appearing vulnerable. That fear literally silences you. Psychologists call this the freeze response. Instead of fighting or fleeing, your body freezes, locking your throat, cutting your voice, and leaving you speechless. Think about arguments you've had. A student yelling at a teacher, suddenly choking on words. A partner in a heated fight, voice cracking mid-sentence. A child screaming in frustration, then suddenly silent. In every case, the body is screaming louder than the voice. The silence is the message. I'm overwhelmed. Let's break it down. ELI5 style. Your voice is like a guitar string. When relaxed, it plays smoothly. When tightened too much, it snaps or squeaks. Anger tightens your strings until they can't vibrate properly. Add adrenaline and your breathing becomes shallow. Without steady airflow, your vocal cords can't produce sound. That's why your voice cracks, squeaks, or disappears. Here's the dark truth. Losing your voice when angry can make arguments worse. People may think you're weak. You may feel embarrassed, fueling even more anger. Miscommunication escalates the fight. But here's the secret. Silence can also be powerful. Sometimes, losing your voice forces you to pause, reflect, and avoid saying something you'll regret. So, how do you stop your voice from disappearing when angry? Breathe deeply, slow. Deep breaths restore airflow and relax vocal cords. Pause before speaking. Give your body 5 seconds to reset. Hydrate. A dry throat worsens tension. Water helps. Lower your tone. Instead of shouting, speak slower and deeper. It calms your body and keeps your voice steady. Reframe anger. Ask yourself, what am I really afraid of? Naming the fear reduces its grip. Here's the big takeaway. Losing your voice when angry isn't weakness. It's your body's way of protecting you. It's a signal that your emotions are overwhelming your system. If you learn to recognize this signal, you can transform arguments. Instead of being silenced by anger, you can use that pause to regain control, speak with clarity, and turn conflict into connection. But here's the question. If anger can silence your voice, what other emotions secretly hijack your body? Fear, love, jealousy, they all have hidden physical effects. And once you uncover them, you'll understand yourself and others on a whole new level. So now you know the strange reason you lose your voice when you're angry. It's not weakness. It's biology, psychology, and survival all colliding in one moment. In this video, you learned why anger silences your voice, the survival mechanism behind it, the psychology of fear and freeze response, how to regain control in heated moments. If you found this eye-opening, subscribe to this channel and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Because the more we understand our minds, the more power we have over our lives.